So I did the oil change, and boy, that synthetic oil costs a lot of money. If you want your bike to be in tip-top shape and you want the good stuff, that synthetic oil costs about, what's it cost here? 11 bucks a quart. So 4 makes 44 bucks. And then the oil filter, by golly, they certainly know how to overcharge in that one. I think I paid, well, I forget how much I paid. It was pretty high. It was almost 20 bucks at the dealer. The guy had told me that all the prices uniformly went up on everything. How convenient. And the price of oil, due to the price of oil, all the oils, all the petroleum products went up. So all in all, I probably spent about 60 some odd dollars trying to change the oil myself. If I had taken it down to a dealer or some other shop to change it, I probably wouldn't get the same quality of oil. I'd probably just get a non-synthetic or half synthetic, and I'd be charged for the labor. Another 20-30 bucks, and there you go, 100 bucks, man. 100 bucks can add up real quick. Plus you gotta wait for it and all that bullshit. I figured, well, you know, oh, and they charge you an oil disposal fee, which I think is, I don't know, an unnecessary expense for me. Pair of Chinese students. Oh yeah, by the way, this is the University of Hawaii here. Yeah, and I'm going through my old campus to meet one of my buddies, one of my old friends that I knew 10 years ago. I ran into him recently when a delegation from China, from Zhejiang Province, came around and paid a visit to Hawaii. I hosted them, and turns out one of my friends showed up because I had posted up on the students' Chinese scholars list. And since his wife is from Hangzhou, which is a city out in, which is the capital of Zhejiang Province, he showed up because I don't know, heck, they have business or something going on. Boy, where am I going here? I don't even know where I'm going. Oh goodness, where is he? Well, he said his shop was open. Sure doesn't look like it. Oh! Crap, almost ate it on that one. Where is this place? Huh. You know, if I look for the car, I wonder if that's his car. Huh. Shoot, where is he? Huh. Oh well, I'm going to cut it for now.